Alright, what you are seeing right now is the garden in front of our terrace. In this garden, there's a lot of wild grasses. And this is really a problem for me because each time I'm always cutting them down and trimming them down, but still they are coming back. So I'm so tired of mowing and trimming them. I think we really need to take out the roots, but the problem is it's too huge and it's really a big job for me. So what I'm wanted to try is another method by poisoning them. I've watched this online, so I really wanted to apply it if it's really effective. So come join with me. Let's take a look on our experiment for today. So this is what it's all about this video. So this is the poison chemical for the grass, and we bought it online in Amazon. We're just gonna need to mix it with 5 liters of water, and we're gonna need some compressor pump. We need also an extension wire outlet and also spray gun. So let's mix it now. Voila guys, I think it's really effective as what I watch online. I think it's really true. That's really effective. You see all those brownish color or dried leaves, those were from the dying wild grasses. When we gonna need to wait for few more days so that we can really say that this poison is really accurate. After 3 days, there you go. The grasses are really starting to be minimized. And voila, after 7 days, there you go. And for those of you who keep wondering if where's the beauty already of the garden if I poison them, well actually there's no beauty at all because it's not plain and we didn't yet plant some seeds or the real grass for the garden because it needs to be flattened. Flattening of this garden, cultivating the soil and planting some grass seeds to make it more beautiful is the next project that I will be making. So I hope you are gonna watch out and you're gonna wait or make sure that you are subscribed on my channel so that you will see for the next project. So this would be a big and a very exciting project. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel with the notification bell so that the next upload you will be updated, okay? So thank you for watching and see you on my next episode. Bye guys.